Welcome to our guide on navigating transfer portal in college football 25 Road to Glory. If you are looking to elevate your game and find the perfect fit for your college football career, you are in the right place. Let's dive into actionable steps that will help you make the most of these exciting features. First of the transfer portal is your ticket, the chance to school at the end of each season. Unlike previous iteration, there are no limits on how many times you can transfer, giving you the freedom to explore new opportunities. Just remember, if you advance without entering the portal, you will have to wait until the end of the next season for another chance. Enter the transfer portal. At season's end, select Enter Transfer Portal. This brings up a list of schools interested in you. Don't worry, you can back out if you want to stay at your current school. Evaluate your options. Look for the schools where you can be a projected starter. Check their depth stats and interest level. Higher interest means a better chance to playing time. Consider job security. Be mindful of a school's job security rating. A low rating could mean instability, risking your position on the team. Fit and scheme. Make sure your player align with the school's offensive or defensive scheme. This can greatly affect your playing time and success. Perform and compete. If you choose a school where you are not starting, you will need to impress during patience, practice and games to trigger a position battle for that starting spot. Transferring a school in college football 25 Road to Glory can be a game changer for your career. By strategically using the transfer portal, evaluating a school carefully, and performing well, you can set yourself up for success on the field. So gear up, make those smart choices, and lead your team to victory. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and mastering college football 25.